Hey guys, so my dad took me to Target for my birthday, and this is all I got. It doesn't look a lot, but it was a lot expensive.
Yeah?
They gave me $100, but it was more.
It was more?
So we're back, so I'm gonna start with
What are you going to open up first?
this.
Okay. What is that?
It's slimy.
Slime?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You know how I normally like bring slime, but this time I got more surprise and open things.
Oh yeah. We love
We got more small mini toys.
Yeah. We love surprises here, don't we? I mean slime.
Today's my birthday on St. Patrick's Day.
It is. Well,
today's
happy birthday, George.
And it's Ash, my cousin's mom's birthday too.
Yeah. Your aunt.
Yeah.
Aunt Ashton's birthday too.
Yeah.
So everybody, please comment down below and wish Charlie Drew a happy birthday.
Anybody know how old I'm turning?
No, why don't we guess? Everybody leave your guesses down in the comments, and we'll tell you here at the end of the video.
I got it now. There we go, I got it.
Good job.
Help. Ready, set.
You're on video already.
Oh my gosh, Daddy.
You can start. You read it.
So we're back and we got the slime open.
Yeah, we had a little trouble getting it open.
But we got it. I want to show you guys these little cues in here.
They're like Tide Pods.
Yeah, you get to crush them. That's what I got. It's really good slime too.
Squeeze it so we can hear it. What is that's cool. I thought they were pom-poms, but they're like little gel cubes. That's pretty cool.
You can smash them. The slime's good that the little circle things are hard to do with. We'll go ahead and do the other one so we don't get everything mixed up. There's 2 batches of slime. 3 batches, I think? Daddy, there's 3.
Oh, is there?
2,
3. I didn't know that one was slime. The blue one.
I think there's, I don't know if there's 3 or not.
Is he gonna be able to get out?
No, we'll have to move. But we're doing a video, so be quiet.
You move it for him, Papa. Cool, I just found a bag in here right there. See, it's a little surprise bag right there, I think. Okay. Well, yeah, I think that's not fun, Daddy. Well, each of them has a little surprise with it. So, I want to fill these slimes up. I guess.
Purple slime.
Hey, Keith.
I think this might be slime.
Hey, Keith.
We're in the video.
Well, I was trying to make
Oh my God.
So I got some of it out. I'll get the rest out.
Sticky.
Daddy, take it off. Let me take off my skirt.
Taking off her green tutu.
It was Leprechaun Day today.
It was Leprechaun Day.
So I'm trying to get all of it out. So there's a little blind bag right here. So I'm going to open it. What it is. Oh, it's easy.
What is it?
Oh, I got a little mermaid.
Let's see. Show it to the camera.
This is really good slime. Guys, it was a little bit sticky, but now it's really good. I want to get a little bit more out. I want to put a lot of these in here because I want to see it. So I guess this one comes with 2 because there's already a couple in here. There's like already a couple charms in this one.
Oh, okay.
Let's get that out so I can show you guys that.
Alright, you got something on your knee. Trash.
I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. As you see, looking here, you already have a couple. We have a unicorn, a mermaid, a flower, and a cupcake. And I guess we have one more in here. But so show them that those, Daddy. It's this one, and this one.
Oh, look at this cute little unicorn. And a cupcake. That's cute.
And our
A
last
mermaid. And what is that?
one is...
Daisy?
So we're back, finally. So now we're going to open up this one, and then we're going to open up the purple slime so you can see what surprise we got. So we're going to... As you see, we got a grape in the little bag.
Oh, we did. Yeah.
Don't pop everywhere, don't pop everywhere, don't pop everywhere.
Got it, or you need some help? Oh, you got it. Look. That sounded cool.
Well, good thing this one has a plastic over it. We know that's there. It's just a mat, who cares? Just my mat. Let's see what's a surprise we got. We got a cute little clear deer. We'll open up these two in just a second. What we're gonna do is we're gonna dip this in here. Because I want to dip it.
Oh my goodness. What a mess.
Hey.
They keep falling out. They don't stick in there very good, do they?
Okay, we're gonna move on now. Dad, pause it.